Hi there. If you are running out of storage space or juggling multiple hard drives, this might be exactly what you need. Today on Tech Kingo, we are checking out the best dual bay hard drive enclosure that makes managing large files simple and fast. It is powerful, practical, and built for serious storage needs. Let's get started. Here we have the Orico US3 dual bay hard drive enclosure. Orico designed this enclosure to give you an easy and smooth storage experience, whether you are a professional handling big projects or just someone who wants better backup control at home. One of the best things about the Orico US3 is its true plug-and-play functionality. You do not need to install extra drivers or complicated software. Just connect it to your computer and it is ready to go. It works with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, so you can use it across different systems without worrying about compatibility. Installing your drives is also very simple. The tool-free design lets you insert or remove hard drives in just a few seconds. You do not need screwdrivers or special tools. This makes upgrading or replacing drives quick and stress-free. On top of that, it supports hot swapping. That means you can switch drives without turning off your system. If you are in the middle of work, you can keep your workflow going without interruption. Each bay supports up to 16 TB of storage. That is a huge amount of space. Whether you are storing large video files, game libraries, software backups, or business data, the Orico US3 gives you room to grow. With 2 bays available, you can organize your files more efficiently and separate different types of data. When it comes to speed, the enclosure uses USB 3.0 and SATA 3 technology. It supports data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. This is around 20% faster than older USB connections. Faster transfer speeds mean less waiting time when moving large files. If you work with heavy media files or big backups, this makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Another standout feature is the offline clone function. This allows you to clone one drive to another without even connecting to a personal computer. You simply place the source drive and the target drive in the bays, and the enclosure handles the duplication process. It is a safe and convenient way to migrate data from an HDD to an SSD or between other drives. This helps reduce the risk of data loss and makes upgrading storage much easier. The overall design of the Orico US3 dual bay hard drive enclosure is clean and solid. It feels durable and reliable on a desk. At the same time, it remains compact enough not to take up too much space. It is built to handle both personal backups and professional workloads without feeling complicated. So if you want better control over your storage, faster transfer speeds, and easy drive management, the Orico US3 dual bay hard drive enclosure is a smart solution. Ready to upgrade your storage setup? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.